Assalamu alaikum and hello, dear world leaders and United Nations and UN Justice membership. We are from the respective villages from Biti Township, Arkan State, Myanmar. Today we are here to acknowledge our hardship, our torture, and how Arkan Army a terrorist group are brutalizing on us, such that our parents, our fathers are abducted and killed them, and also our brothers are also killed by shooting in front of in front of us and in front of our parents, and also our sisters are forcefully abducted by the Arkan Army a terrorist group. So we are facing intolerably torture, persecution from the Arkan Army, a terrorist group. These are also our Rohingya mothers and sisters. Their husbands are also abducted. Their husbands are also abducted by Arkan Army, a terrorist group. They are also killed by shooting, and their young age sons are also beheaded in front of them, and some of their young age daughters are forcefully abducted and raped them by the Arkan Army terrorist group. Some of their daughters came back, and some are died. So they are also facing intolerably torture and persecution from the Afghan Army, a terrorist group. So they are also they are also willing to express their persecution, their torture from the committing Afghan Army, a terrorist group. About 150 50 uh, young age boys are also uh, forcefully abducted and killed them, blaming that they accompanied, uh, Burmese, military junta force, but it's not true. And some economies are hosting our Rohingya supporters, hugging, embracing babies and children, but it's not true. They are just lying. This
আর বুঝলাম মানুষ আর বাড়াবার এ ধরে হলো গিয়ে আতঙ্ক ফসিল হওয়া জড়া দিয়ে আর মন তো আতঙ্ক জল ফসিল হয়ে হলো গিয়ে তো আর গরবার এ হরা দিয়ে লাগিয়ে তো আর দুঃখ বদার দিন হরি কাদা এসে দিয়ে
আর বুঝি ডাঙর মগ বাই দিয়ে আর মাওয়াই মারি ফেলাই মনতো আর বাই বাই ঝগড়া দিয়ে আর সৈন্য মারি দাইছে আর বুঝি ডাঙর আর আর বেড়াবাই দৌড়ি আর নিজে আতঙ্ক ফসিল হয়ে আর মনতো ঝগড়া দিয়ে ফেলাই আর জুলি সৈন্য একে এসে